In this video, I will be walking you through using the remote control radio frequency testing in the AE Tools Invisible Signal Tester. First, we'll power on our tool. Then we'll go down one and select Remote RF Test. Now for this test, we will be using the radio frequency remote control antenna, which is located at the bottom of the tool here. So we'll hold up a remote, and then we're going to push one of our buttons that uses radio frequency to test the signal. So I'll go ahead and push the lock button. And there is sound with it, as well as the display telling us the strength of the signal. Notice we can do the same thing with any of our other keys.
If you have any further questions or difficulty, please call AE Tools Tech Support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.